There is a design that is said to borrow Keely's technology from the late 19th century. According to information from internet journalists since 2010, John Worrell Keely was involved in fraud cases about calling for technology investment. Some other sources say that John Worrell Keely and his family were deceived and suppressed, leading to the failure of the technology development plan. From both sources, the same result is explained that John Worrell Keely's technology was not brought to market. I did not investigate the history of this issue to determine whether John Worrell Keely was really harmed or not. It is clear that there are two opposing sources, and I do not impose beliefs on this. You believe in which side and it is your mind. I only consider the results of Keely's technological improvement that they demonstrated. They imply that with a large model it will be completely independent of electricity, meaning the house will be completely disconnected from the grid from the companies. No monthly electricity bills from the companies. The above device consists of 6 main parts, easily purchased at electronic stores or purchased at e-commerce markets around the world. The devices include 1 equals DC stepper motor, 2 equals AC DC and switching, 3 equals inverter, 4 equals battery, 5 equals LCD digital pulse generator circuit, preamplifier, 6 equals electronic circuit containing toroidal coil DC-DC converter. I don't know exactly what devices 5 and 6 are. That's their secret. Does this device generate free energy? Yes. It generates electricity in 2 locations and both are fed into the inverter, DC to AC. Plus qualitatively, this device operates until the battery fails or any component fails. It can operate for 5 years if properly maintained and lubricated at the stepper motor while running. Moreover, it has a load consumption when not overloaded. The system still runs continuously until the battery, or component, fails. This clearly shows the existence of free energy in qualitative terms, not quantitative. Because the battery will be exhausted after a few days to a few months when the system is running. But this system has recharged itself. That is why it is called a self-powered generator, self-running generator. To achieve self-recharging, the output power must be greater than the input power. In electrical engineering, this is called overunity or free energy. Plus quantitatively, regarding measurements, they do not publish the measured current and voltage at the input and output. But this system is similar to John Charles Bedini's self-running generator, overunity battery charging pulse generator. John Charles Bedini's device has been measured and tested by experts, meaning that both qualitatively and quantitatively, it shows that it is a free energy machine. Why is this technology similar to John Charles Bedini's battery charging pulse technology? Because that is my opinion when looking at their demonstration, then comparing it with John Bedini's structure. The similarity is exploiting high voltage pulses from the coil to charge the battery. Compare that, you can find with the article, energy from the coil, ether, creates transient voltage to charge the battery, free energy released by infinity. Of course there are differences in the structure and electronic components of the system. But the deepest nature of the two systems being compared is that the high voltage pulse is exploited from the coil that will charge the battery in the form of cold electricity. The difference may be that the coil that exploits the voltage pulse is located in a different position. Advantages of infinite energy system. The disadvantage of infinite energy system in the book series is that it has not revealed the most advanced technology, including the nature of electricity, the true nature of matter, and the alchemy and flying saucer technologies in it. In addition, it has not optimized the path of the conductors and the location of the components. This is probably not necessary. Because of that, some demanding technical experts with high requirements seem to be not very satisfied and pleased. But anyway, infinite energy system works to create free energy. This is an easy to install device. Just buy the electronic components and electrical equipment according to the block diagram, along with a detailed circuit and instructions. The installation is quite simple. For students or ordinary people who want to develop electrical engineering or ether technology, this book is very useful. The more practical thing is to cut off the connection to the grid from the companies and the electricity bill is zero.